Yeah, there's definitely concerns about the big brother aspect of it. I know our drivers showed that concern, but now since this incident has happened, you know, they realize that it's a good thing, especially with that big company logo on the side of it. You know, it's just a lawsuit waiting to happen.
Our mechanic was driving in one of our automobiles. We were able to see from the footage that another driver cut him off, swooping down in front of him, and he rear-ended her. We were able to prove to the insurance company and to the police that he was not at fault in this accident.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the money aspect of the deal, no court, no lawyers, it got us out of it pretty quick.
Another component of our T3 dash cam and the driver-facing element of the camera is truly about protecting you as the driver or you as the operator. Say you ran into somebody and your story is they slammed on their brakes. Okay, great. You know, it's still your word against theirs. With our inside-facing camera, you also have that simultaneous video evidence to prove you didn't have your cell phone in your hand, you were looking forward, this all occurred within a split second. You truly had no time to react. Rather than look at this as somebody sitting behind their computer screen all day, watching me playing Big Brother, this is truly a tool to prevent you from potentially losing your job, needing to go to long drawn out court hearings. It's when that safety supervisor receives an alert that there was an impact and they watch that footage and within 15 seconds they realize that you as the driver had nothing to do with that accident. You were just caught in the middle of it.
Driver's on the phone, it'll send me an alert. Not wearing a seatbelt, it sends me an alert. Excessive acceleration, excessive braking, hard right turns, hard left turns, following too close. Yeah, it was a game changer. I wouldn't put a truck on the road without it, for sure.